In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video project by adding animations to stickers in CapCut. Stickers can be a great way to add personality and emphasis to your video, and with the right animation, you can bring them to life just the way you want. Let's dive into how you can achieve this effortlessly. First, you'll want to add your sticker to the timeline. If you're new to CapCut, the timeline is essentially where you can view and edit all the different elements of your video. It's the backbone of your project. Adding a sticker is very straightforward. Just ensure you have your project open in CapCut, find a suitable sticker you like, and drag it onto the timeline. If the sticker isn't quite right or you're having trouble locating it, remember that CapCut offers a variety of stickers designed for different themes and moods, so take your time to choose one that fits your video's theme best. Once your sticker is on the timeline, the next step is to click on it to select it. Selecting the sticker is crucial because it tells CapCut which element of your video you're currently working with. You'll know it's selected when you see an outline around it, or sometimes there will be handles that you can use to resize or move it. Clicking on the sticker also brings up the various options that you can apply to it, so make sure that sticker is highlighted before moving on to the next step. Now comes the fun part, adding an animation. To do this, open the Animation tab. In this section, you have a range of animation effects to choose from, categorized into 3 types: in, out, and loop effects. It's important to understand what each category does. An in effect is applied as the sticker appears on screen. This might be something like a fade in or slide in. An out effect controls how the sticker leaves the screen, and loop effects are continuous animations that will play as long as the sticker is on screen. This can include gentle movements or bouncing effects. Take a moment to explore these options and consider the impact you want the sticker to have on your video. Experimenting with a few different effects can give you a feel for what looks best in your specific context. And there you have it. By following these simple steps in CapCut, you can breathe new life into your stickers with animations that capture attention and elevate your video's storytelling. Whether you're making a fun TikTok, a dynamic YouTube vlog, or just a simple project to share with friends, these animated stickers can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your content. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!